What is up guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing another speaker, and this time it's a small Bluetooth speaker by Sony. It's the Sony SRS XB-13. So this is a small entry-level Bluetooth speaker by Sony, and this is their smallest Bluetooth speaker out there. It is waterproof, it has 16 hours of battery life, USB-C cable, and you can also stereo pair this. So if you have two of these speakers, you can connect them both and listen to them both in stereo mode. So I got two. I actually got a really good deal on Amazon. So yeah, we're gonna try it out and see how good this is. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this up. So here's the box of the speaker, guys. So there's the name, the SRS XB-13. So some different languages here. It shows the strap here, like I talked about before. It comes with it. It's pretty good. And it's a black color. I got it in black, Noir color. And here are all the specs that I already talked about. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this up. Let's pull this up. So we're presented with some user manuals. Right here is a quick start guide. Let's see what it says. So it's showing you how to charge the device and how to pair it. It's pretty good. We already know that. Here are some warranty and user manuals. I think we'll be reading these. And here is the speaker itself, all wrapped up in this bag. And we also get a USB-C charging cable. And it looks like it's a short cable, just like some of the other speakers get short cables with them, such as the Bose SoundLink Mini that I got earlier. It also had a short cable. Let's see how short it is. Okay, yeah, probably 1 feet. Put this back. I won't be using this because I already have my USB-C cable, the normal long one. Let's unwrap this up. And here it is, guys, the speaker itself. Oh, I can already tell it's a fingerprint magnet, but oh, it went away, so it's good. So here it has the Sony logo. So here is the strap that I was talking about that it comes with. So you can hang it anywhere you want. You can hang it on a branch or hang it on to something if you're working out. That way you won't have to put it down on the floor. That's pretty good. So here are the volume controls. And then here's play pause button, here's the mic, here's the Bluetooth pairing button, and then power on and off button right here. It says made in China, wireless speaker. And then here we have the passive radiator up here. So let's go ahead and turn this on and pair it up with my iPad and see how this sounds. Okay guys, so here's my iPad mini. And let's turn the speaker on for the first time. Let's hope. Oh yeah, it does have battery in it. That's good. So yeah, as you guys can see, it has almost about 75% of battery life. That's pretty cool. Wow. And now might be a good time for you guys to connect your headphones. That way you'll get a better idea of how this sounds. So as you guys can see, the speaker actually sounds pretty good for its size. It has the right amount of treble and a good amount of bass. And yeah, I think it sounds really good, especially for the price that I got this. Wow, it sounds amazing, I think. All right, here's the other one. Like I told you guys before, I got two. So now this one will be acting as a left speaker and this one will be acting as a right speaker. And you'll get the stereo sound, the amazing stereo sound. And I can already tell two of these are going to be really good. So let's go ahead and play the same song again. Oh yeah, now it's in stereo mode. I can listen to the both. They're both working now. Wow. Already sounding amazing. guys, as you just heard, wow, the two of those sound even better, like much better than a single one. It totally changed the sound quality. I didn't know the two would have this big of an impact. You have to buy two. If you get these, definitely get two of them, and especially right now they're on sale. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Again, thank you so much for watching.